Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the 500 internal server error in Chrome browser. So if you face this kind of issue, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, we need to type ncpa.cpl. Control panel items, simply click on that. Then here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Well, the process is just the same. So simply make a right click. Then you have to select properties. In the Wi-Fi properties, you have to click on the Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4. Click on properties. Now here in this window, you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK. So this is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. So just simply click on OK and then close all these windows. Then in the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Click on About Google Chrome or click on the Chrome under the best match. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply scroll down and click on Reset Settings. So this will restore settings to the original default. Simply click on this. And the good thing about this option is that this will not affect or delete your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. Then you have to simply click on Reset Settings. Then scroll up and then you'll find Privacy and Security, the one with the shield symbol. Click on that. Then under privacy and security, you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. So you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history checked. Download history checked. Cookies and other site data checked. Cached images and files checked. Scroll down, you'll find site settings checked. Hosted app data check, passwords and other sign-in data and the autofill form data, do not check that. And finally, click on delete data and then simply close out of here and then launch the Chrome browser again and try to see if the issue will be fixed. And if in your case the issue is still not fixed, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. Then simply look for Chrome, click on the three dots, select uninstall and then uninstall once again. Now check this box, also delete your browsing data, click on uninstall. Now once uninstalled, then we need to open any other browser that we have on our Windows. So you can simply use the Edge browser, which is the default browser of your Windows, and type here Chrome, download, hit enter. You'll find this option www.google.com. Click on that and simply click this button, download Chrome, and that will reinstall the application for you once the setup file has been downloaded. Click on that. Then here you have to simply wait until this will reinstall the application. So now this is installing the application. You can just simply close out of the Edge browser. So it has been reinstalled. Simply click on sign in. So let me just sign in with my account. Then you have to click on next. And I'm just going to type here my password. Then you have to click on next. Then you can just simply click on no thanks. And then scroll down and click on got it. And then here you go. You can now simply use your Chrome browser with a fresh start. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.